Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss issues with Symphony. Today's issue is when we're not displaying data for when units are running and we're not displaying compressor watts or temperatures and the such. So first off, we're looking at a Symphony page, the units connected, running, registered and everything. We're in good shape there. But when we go to the troubleshooting page, we see nothing but zeros, a few temperatures here and there. What is going on? Well, to fix this, we need to go into our aid tool, and we can do that here remotely, or if you're on site when you're setting it up, you really should do that initially. But in this case, we're remote, that's no problem. We can go in the aid tool, and in there, we have access to items here. We're going to look at configure Aurora, or we're configuring the controls. And so this is an Aston unit, and Astons, for some reason, they do not, they include the ABC board, and really that's it. You have to add the thermostat and the AWL. But in this case, we don't have the AXB, even though it was factory installed, it is not included in the Aurora system. So we have to add that into the system. Are you sure? Yes, we want to. And now it is added. And if you go back to troubleshooting, our data is available. There's one other thing we need to do. Let's go back to the aid tool. We'll see here in setup, we have a few things added. We have AXB setup, sensor kit, smart grid, home automation, power adjustment. These are all added when the AXB is added. So if we go into AXB setup, if we need to make any pump changes, if we're using a variable speed pump, we can make those in here. We could turn on the variable speed pump control, minimum, maximum, those kind of things. In this case, we're just going to set up the sensor kit. You can see here. And once it's loaded, so these are the default values of what we got. And we're going to change settings here. Now this one is an antifreeze, or your options are water and antifreeze. In this case it's antifreeze. The unit comes with a flow meter. You can certainly double check, select that. Then we have a pump. Obviously open loop is an option, different flow centers, and these are all changeable after the fact, but let's start with this is a 4-ton, it's probably a 2-pump flow center. Single phase, option of 3-phase. Blower, you have ECM and PSC. Again, this can be changed later. Energy option, if you're just monitoring the compressor, that would be for water to water. In this case, we're monitoring energy. And voltage setting. This, you want to measure the voltage when the unit is under operation. And so, you know, it might be coming in at 240, but it's actually, once it's under amperage, you know, it might be down to 233, 230. And this affects the power monitoring. So you want to verify that, use it as a placeholder for the moment, but definitely something you want to confirm. So we're going to save all that, and you're done. Go back to the troubleshooting page, and verify things as needed. But that is it, and you're done. Thank you very much. Have a good day.